Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival and something a little bit special for you. 2014 on a 64 plate BMW 118 diesel. This is the 2 litre with an automatic gearbox, 5 doors, finished in Glacier Silver metallic, and it has covered just 27,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this extremely impressive 1 Series M Sport. December 2014 registered, just 27,000 miles from new. 1 private owner. And a comprehensive BMW Main Dealer service history. They don't come an awful lot better than this. Many 1 Series about, of course. But where do you find one that's only had 1 owner, been serviced at BMW 7 times, right the way through its life, covered just 27,000 miles, and has £6,700 worth of added options as well. Fantastic bit of kit. We don't do an awful lot of BMWs. If you follow our channel, follow our page, we don't do too many BMWs. Often they've had lots of owners, and obviously not the cheapest things in the world to service if you go to the main dealer especially, so hard to find with such an impressive service history. We've got these really nice 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels with Bridgestone Potenza tyres, all round matching tyres. 140 brake horsepower from the 2 litre turbo diesel, and the road tax is just £35 for 12 months as well, so properly economical. 60 plus to the gallon according to BMW. As we have a look inside, what a combination. You've got the Glacier Silver metallic on the outside, and then you've got this fantastic Dakota Leather interior in lovely shape. Bits of electronic controls there. Remote locking, of course, does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are all in good nick. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. We've got this wood effect, M Sport embossed into the sills there. Original carpet mats throughout. Automatic lights, of course. Then up onto the steering wheel, which is again in good shape. You've got controls for your radio, Bluetooth, cruise control with speed limiter, push button start, of course. There's your trip computer. We'll start the car up, so it's keyless start. You've got your 2 keys there, foot on the brake. Service not due for another 17,000 miles. There's your mileage, 27746. Drives really nicely. Auto gearbox, a couple of different driving modes there, parking sensors which you can switch off. You got your lovely leather armrest here, and then of course your iDrive system, which takes you up to the top screen, which we'll come to in a second. Dual zone climate control. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then up to your iDrive. You got your multimedia, you got your DAB digital radio, you got Bluetooth for your telephone, we've got satellite navigation. Ross-On-Wye knows where we are, always a bonus. We'll put the car into reverse. Obviously it won't let us go backwards at the minute because I've got the door open, but your park pilot comes up on the screen there. I'll go back into park. And just a very nice place to be. A whole list of the added options is on the website, so do take a look. It was hard for me to remember. I don't have a script for these, I make them up as we go along, so if you do want a full list of the added options, please do have a look on the website. Into the rear, you've got electric windows in the back, 3 proper headrests with 3 seat belts, of course with the ISOFIX, so comfortable 5-seater. Again, fantastic condition. You do get electric windows in the back as well, of course. Very bright today, so hoping you're getting a good picture of what the car really looks like. Bodywork wise, it's extremely nice. You've got this lovely bit of grey across the rear bumper, of course with your parking sensors. And then into the load space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, decent sized boot space. First aid kit on this side. Underneath we've got your 12 volt battery, which looks very new indeed. Does sit on run flat tyres, so no spare wheel. If you would like the car to go back to standard tyres and you wanted a jack and a brace and everything like that, of course we have our on-site workshop, so at your cost we'll gladly do that for you. But there we have it, December 2014 BMW 118 2-litre turbo diesel M Sport with the automatic gearbox and just 27,000 miles. One private owner from new, and a 7-stamp BMW Main Dealer service history. £35 tax for the year as well. Finance is available from less than £300 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 remote keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance group and specific technical specs, do have a look at our website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Extremely smart car, not the cheapest thing in the world, but very, very nice indeed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.